community. Interestingly enough, Kashmiri Pandits also in the fray this time.
Yes, today more than 35,000 Kashmiri Pandit, they are going to cast their vote, and there are special arrangements for them in Jammu as well as in Udhampur and Delhi so that they can cast their vote and use their voting right and choose a person whom they can elect. And if just see behind me, the way basically the things are changing here, that is a beautiful environment and peaceful atmosphere over here in the Jammu and Kashmir. If you see that this is a wonderful polling station in this Bij Bihara, where Mehbooba Mufti and her daughter has to cast her vote, and Ilsa Mufti, who is a candidate from this constituency, she is expected to arrive here in next 1 hour. But as far as the Kashmiri Pandit voters are concerned, they are going to impact about 5 to 6 seats in the South Kashmir area. So let's see what will happen. But definitely Kashmiri Pandits, they have right, and they are going to cast their vote to choose a person, to elect a person whom they can trust.
Absolutely. Let's just talk now a bit about where you're standing in Bij Bihara. That school over there is seeing a steady trickle of voters. That's also something we've seen in other constituencies, Ajay. Very, very good sign. Let's hope the numbers at the end of the day are very encouraging.
Yes, during the parliament election, what we have seen that a lot of people, they were coming out, and I'll ask my camera person to go and show you the lines over here. You could see that number of people, they are standing in the queue, including females. That indicates that this is the positive sign here, because no doubt that people have right to vote whom they have to vote. But the thing is that this is the perfect thing, that in democracy they are coming and definitely casting a vote, and long queues can be seen over here, not only in Bij Bihara but also in other part of the South Kashmir, including Kulgam, Shopian, and other part of the South Kashmir. So this is the best thing what is happening over here. And we spoke to the people over here in the on the polling station. They are saying that they were waiting for this day, because after 10 years, this election is taking place. Earlier, what was happening, that because of the election was not held, they were not able to get their area developed. There were issues of other things like drainage system, road connectivity, unemployment. These are the major issues for what they basically, they required a local representative. I'll try to speak to a person over here. Sir, क्या कहेंगे? आज चुनाव के लिए पहुंचे हैं, 10 सालों के बाद, 1 दशक के बाद चुनाव यहाँ पे हो रहे हैं असेंबली के. कितना इम्पोर्टेंट था ये होना, और अब हो रहे हैं, तो क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं?
हमें उम्मीद है इलेक्शन अच्छी तरह हो जाएंगे, और उम्मीद है कि लोगों को कुछ फायदे मिलेंगे. जो भी गवर्नमेंट आएगी तो अच्छा ही लगेगी हमारे लिए. We are waiting for last 10 years of the elections.
So what are the major issues here for which you?
First, मैं ये बात कहूँ कि यहाँ की बेरोजगारी बहुत है. लोग बहुत पढ़े लिखे हैं, तो इस पर बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हमारी है.
एरिया की डेवलपमेंट इशू है, या अभी भी लगता है कि 370 भी एक बड़ा इशू है?
370 एक इशू, हमारी एक पहचान थी वो. जो कश्मीर की एक पहचान, जम्मू कश्मीर की, वो ने छीन लिया. वो भी बाई कोर्ट लिया. वो वापस आएगा, उम्मीद वापस आएगी वो.
अच्छा. और क्या क्या मसले हैं इसके अलावा जिसको लेकर आपको लगता है कि आप लोग घरों से निकलेंगे और इतनी ज़्यादा वोटिंग जो हो रही है? पहले हमने देखा हो ही नहीं पाती थी वोटिंग, बहुत कम.
तब था ये कुछ हालात ठीक नहीं थे, हालात तो अनसेफ थे. तो अब हालात ठीक है, शुक्र परवाले का लाख शुक्र भगवान से. ये कि मैं कहूँ कि हालात अच्छे रहे अब.
So the people are saying that things have changed, and just see that the number of people, they are coming in the queues, they are coming to the polling station. This is the positive sign, Uday. People also are saying that things have changed, normalcy has restored, and that's why they are coming out and they are casting their vote. Earlier, what was happening, that because of the tense situation, because of the terror incident which has taken place here, the people were not able to cast their vote. They were scared because of the because of the terrorism and other things. So that's why this is the positive sign. And just see, I will again try to show you the visual. Just see that number of people, they are continuously coming, they are gathering over here. They are saying that they have to cast their vote, and they are just checking their names in the list, and then they will cast their vote. I'll try to speak to some other people as well, that what they have to say, how important it is to cast their votes. ये बताइए कि वोट डालने आए हैं, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, लोगों को क्या?
बहुत जरूरी इम्पोर्टेंट है वोट डालना, क्योंकि हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी इम्पोर्टेंट है ये वोट डालना. असेंबली का ज्यादा था, क्योंकि हमारी कोई सरकार नहीं थी.
Let's speak to some other person. We have Mr. Tak with us. Tak साहब, क्या कहेंगे? आप बेहतरीन बोलते हैं, जब बता रहे थे, क्या लगता है कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है वोट डालना और मसले कितने इम्पोर्टेंट है आपके?
आपकी बात सही है। कुछ कहने से पहले मैं एक शहर अर्ज करूंगा, तो कहूंगा उन लोगों से जो इससे पहले भी हमारा वोट लिए हैं, हमारे वोट को क्या कुछ किए वो लोग जानते हैं। मैं इतना ही कहूंगा उनको, बेहयाई हद से गुजरी, बंद परवर कब तलक, हम कहेंगे हाल दिल मगर आप फरमाएंगे क्या? तो इसलिए हाँ, ये मौका
चलिए,
है।
बहुत बढ़िया है। शेरो शायरी आज चल रही है, बहुत उत्साह है, जुनून है लोगों में, जो बहुत अच्छी बात है अजय. People of course are coming out to cast their vote in large numbers there, which is a very, very good sign. Enthusiasm is there. It should be, voting day should be treated as a festival of democracy, as our Prime Minister also has said on earlier occasions. Let's quickly bring in now Nasir Khan.